Welcome to this episode of Sitecore in 300 Seconds Plus. My name is Xun. I work as a Senior Solutions Consultant at Sitecore. In this episode, I'm going to provide deeper insights into Sitecore's content management system and showcase how it works. If you are interested in a shorter overview, please watch my 300 Seconds episode. Sitecore manages the entire life cycle of digital assets and provides a systematic approach to the process of creating, editing, integrating, previewing, and publishing digital assets. The first step in our life cycle is asset creation, where different types of content items are arranged in a tree-like structure and are inserted based on a template. A template is an item that defines both the structure and behavior of other items using content editor so that you can reuse the template as you scale up the asset creation process. For example, instead of creating hundreds of article pages individually, a content author such as Minnie may create an article template first and then create article pages based on that template. Let's see it in action. After Minnie logging to Sitecore Launchpad using her credentials, she will go to Content Editor, an editing tool where content is organized as items in a tree structure. Before Minnie creating any new article page, she would like to create a new article template. To create a new article template, go to the Template section, navigate to your relevant project folder, and go to the Pages. This is where the template for each individual type of page resides. To create a new template, right-click, Insert, and New Template. And here, we can already see that Minnie has created a template for article page. Let's take a look at it. For this article page, we have the title, the body, introduction, author, and also the image. After Minnie is done creating the article page template, now she's ready to create the new article page for Lighthouse Lifestyle, a fictitious concierge and lifestyle service company. Since Minnie is tasked to create a new article on smart home for Lighthouse Lifestyle, she will navigate to the article's item within Home section. Right-click and insert an article page. Give it a name, your smart home checklist. Okay. Minnie, who comes from non-technical background, is able to create pages on the fly. Moreover, by using templates, Minnie is able to scale up the content creation process so that she doesn't have to create similar pages one after another, saving her time and effort. The second step involves content authors filling up different components of the page defined in the template. Sitecore CMS provides content authors with a unique opportunity to edit the page from a visitor or end user's perspective using what we call Experience Editor. If content authors want to add a new or a customized component to their page, Sitecore Experience Accelerator, or SXA, provides easy-to-use drag-and-drop interfaces to achieve customized page layout. Let's see how Minnie is able to quickly create an article page, author herself, and customize the article's layout using Sitecore Experience Editor and SXA. After Minnie has finished creating your smart home checklist, we will see how she is able to edit the page from a visitor's perspective. Right-click and open Smart Home Checklist in an Experience Editor, which is a what you see is what you get type of editor designed to let Minnie edit components that are visible on the page. Here, we can see the article page has already had a banner component, a title component, an author teaser component, an introductory text, and a body paragraph. If we want to add more components, for example, Minnie wants to add an image, simply drag and drop the image. What Minnie has to do now is to fill out those components. Let's choose a nice banner on Smart Home. And here is the introduction and relevant contents. Minnie also would like to author herself for this article. Coming from non-technical background, Minnie is able to create an article page within minutes. Sitecore Content Management System provides enterprises with a unified platform where marketing and technical teams are able to collaborate, reducing costs and efforts spent on coding. Third, unlike other silo CMS, Sitecore can be easily integrated with design applications, systems, and data. For example, if a design team's digital assets are stored in a separate system, Sitecore offers seamless integrations with Content Hub, where creative teams only need to focus on one system as opposed to switching between different interfaces. Using Sitecore DEM section of Sitecore Connect for Content Hub, Minnie is able to browse, search, and insert digital assets from Sitecore DEM directly from within Sitecore's Experience Editor. Moreover, thanks to Sitecore's integration with Creative Exchange, Minnie is able to customize the look and feel of the page. And let's see it in action. After that, Minnie wants to see if there's any nice picture she could use from her company's digital asset management platform. Click the image component Minnie added earlier and import the asset from Sitecore Content Hub. But Minnie doesn't like the current layout. She goes to Experience Accelerator tab, clicks Pick Page Design, and chooses a layout she likes. Save her work. We will see the author teaser and image components will change from right to the left as a result of the layout change. Sitecore's unique interoperability helps organizations reduce costs and efforts spent on system integrations and encourages collaboration between content and design teams. Fourth, before a page can be published, Minnie would like to preview her article. Using natively built-in CSS libraries, Sitecore CMS uses Device Simulator to empower enterprises to deliver new and updated contents such as articles and campaigns to market across multiple devices and channels, improving revenue and time to market. Instead of trying to figure out the design and the CSS across multiple devices and channels, Minnie never has to worry about her content looks good or not in iPhone, Android, tablets, or TV before submitting for approval, saving her and her developers time and effort. Let's see how Minnie is able to do that. Minnie would like to preview her work on mobile devices. Click Experience tab, Preview, and navigate to iPhone. Mini sees that Sitecore automatically optimizes content and layout for mobile devices. Now Minnie is really happy and ready to submit her work for approval before publishing. Using natively built-in CSS libraries, Sitecore empowers organizations to reduce costs spent on design and coding while improving customer experience. Sitecore is the only CMS platform that encourages collaboration and productivity between marketing and tech teams by utilizing a natively integrated marketing stack. The final step of the asset creation lifecycle is approving and publishing the content. Sitecore uses Workbox to ensure that only content that has been approved is published. In addition, Sitecore Workflow offers content admins the flexibility to accommodate and customize existing content compliance practices. As a content manager, Pete now has full control over his team's content approval and publishing process. Let's take a look at how Pete reviews and approves Minnie's work. After Pete logging to Sitecore Launchpad using his super user credentials, we can see that Pete has access to a lot more modules than Minnie. He will go to Workbox, a tool in Sitecore that displays information about the items in a workflow, such as editing history or the number of items that we can find in each workflow state. We can see that Pete's Lighthouse Lifestyle workflow only has two states. Number one, draft state. Number two, awaiting approval state. Unlike Lighthouse Lifestyle, a new company may have different content governance workflows. To customize workflows, go to Content Editor, expand System. Under Workflows, we can right-click and insert a new workflow. Under the new workflow, we can also customize by inserting a new state. Now back to Pete, who is going to review Minnie's work. After Minnie's submission, her article, Your Smart Home Checklist, along with the image component Minnie added earlier, are now under awaiting approval stage. Pete decides to preview Minnie's work. Wow, looks great. Pete approves Minnie's article. Now we go back to Lighthouse Lifestyle's website. Currently, under the articles page, the first article is called Automate Dinner. If we refresh the page, we will now see Minnie's work, Your Smart Home Checklist. Sitecore CMS provides enhanced security mechanism by accommodating and extending enterprises' existing content compliance practices and encourages collaboration between marketing and IT security teams to deliver content faster to market. In summary, Sitecore meets your business objectives from 5 different angles. First, it improves time to market by delivering new and updated campaigns to market faster. Second, Sitecore CMS helps you reduce costs by saving efforts spent on coding and layout design. Third, improving time to market means faster campaign creation, more revenue opportunity, and reducing costs means higher profits. Therefore, investing on Sitecore will improve your ROI. Fourth, Sitecore is the only CMS platform that encourages collaboration and productivity between marketing and tech teams by utilizing a natively integrated marketing stack. Last, Sitecore CMS provides enhanced security mechanism by accommodating and extending your existing content compliance practices. Thank you for watching this episode of Sitecore in 300 Seconds Plus. I hope this has given you insights into how Sitecore's content management system works and what benefits it can bring to your business. If you would like to have a chat, please email me at xun.yin@sitecore.com. Thank you.